Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Council Craft. Today I'm creating the perfect bridal wedding makeup look. Flawless, timeless, and long-lasting. Whether you're the bride or a wedding guest, this look is going to have you looking stunning all day and night. Let's get started. First things first, we need a long-lasting base. I'm starting with a long-wear primer that smooths the skin and grips the makeup. If you have oily skin, opt for a mattifying primer. For dry skin, use a hydrating primer. Trust me, this step is crucial. Next up, full coverage foundation. This is going to give you that flawless complexion every bride dreams of. It evens out the skin tone and creates a smooth base. Blend it with a damp beauty sponge for that seamless, airbrushed finish. You want to look effortlessly perfect, right? Now, onto concealing and setting. I'm using a high coverage concealer under the eyes and on any blemishes. Then, I'm setting everything with a lightweight loose powder to keep it all in place. Press the powder into the skin with a puff for extra longevity. You don't want your makeup sliding off during the vows. Time to define those brows. Structured yet natural brows are key. I'm using a brow pomade or pencil to shape and define, then setting with a clear gel. Brows frame your face, so don't skip this step. For the eyes, we're going soft and romantic. Bridal eye makeup should be timeless. I'm using neutral-toned eyeshadows, blending a medium brown into the crease and a shimmer shade on the lid. Use a waterproof eyeshadow primer to prevent creasing. You want your eyes to sparkle all day and night. Now for liner and lashes. I'm applying a thin eyeliner to define the eyes and finishing with false lashes for a glamorous yet elegant look. False lashes just give that extra oomph. Time to contour and blush. I'm adding structure to the face by contouring my cheekbones, jawline, and nose. Then I'm adding a rosy blush for a fresh bridal glow. You'll look beautifully radiant. Highlight time. A little highlighter on the cheekbones, nose, and Cupid's bow adds the perfect luminous touch. You'll be glowing in all the right places. Finally, let's do the lips. I'm using a long-wearing matte lipstick in a bridal-friendly shade like soft pink, nude, or classic red. Layer a lip liner underneath for extra definition and longevity. Your smile will be picture perfect. And there you have it. A stunning, long-lasting bridal wedding makeup look that's elegant and timeless. Let me know in the comments. What's your favorite bridal makeup style? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.